Okay, iron 3 oxide can be reduced by carbon monoxide. We've got a balanced equation there. We want to use the following thermodynamic data to determine the Gibbs energy at 298. So since it is 298, we can use this row of data. And I'm going to bring down my coefficients. And I will add my products, subtract my reactants. And now we just want to calculate it. So I have a 743.6 plus 3 times 137.2 minus 3 times 394.4. Close parentheses equals. I get a delta G with one decimal place of negative 28.0 kilojoules per mole.